Hey America, Mark.Kelson here today at beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Guaranty RV here to present to you 2017 Jayco Melbourne 24L pre-owned Sprinter chassis coach. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. So the thing I like about this coach is with this full wall slide, you get a very spacious living area. This is really nice. So you get a U-shaped dinette so you can take all your grandkids with you, all your friends with you, or just you or you and your spouse. This is a wonderful coach. A lot of room for pets, whatever you have. So you have this area which turns into a bed if so desired, and you also have this area up here which is huge. Nice bed. Or not. Just get rid of it if you need more headroom. TV up above right there. Beautiful cabinets in this Jayco. Little panel there with all your redavenators on it. Nice little leaf right here. Corian countertop in this coach. Very nice. Your sink. Stainless steel sink. Nice little window up above. Two burner right there. Propane there. This is a microwave convection. So you can bake in that and make some popcorn or something. Nice cabinets underneath. Coming right back here, your pantry pull out. Pretty cool. A lot of drawers down below for clothing. Then you have this nice wardrobe. Look how deep that thing is. Refrigerator and freezer, Norcold. A corner bath right there, so you got enough room in that shower to move around. The toilet's strategically placed. Nice vent up above. Nice lighting in there just from the outside coming in. Over here you have a queen bed, folds up right here, so when the slide comes in, you can still utilize a little bit of it. You have the exit window out back, and also if you're backing up to the ocean or something, that gives you a great view. A lot of room in this coach for 24 feet. This is pretty nice. Easy cleanup. Look at this. We got it all dirty in here. You just come in here, wipe it up, boom, you're done. Nice chocolate interior up here. These seats do spin around. You do have your Mercedes chassis. This is the Sprinter. This will get about 14 miles to the gallon, which is very, very appealing. Everything you can want up there, comfort, and a lot of room. Come on outside, let's see what it has to offer. So this particular coach has full body paint, which is a very expensive add-on. You do have flush mount windows. Continuing up above, you have an automatic awning that pulls out over the out here when you have your friends out here. You have your water heater and your refrigerator right there. It's just a beautiful color. So right up here you have your camera looking down on your tow vehicle, 5,000 pound hitch rating on this. Pretty awesome. Thing I like about this, these doors open to the side. I can get under here. There's a 30 amp service right there. So you have an air conditioner up on top. You do have your water bay right here, outdoor shower. You have your spritzer in there. You've got everything you need in a little coach. This is fabulous. So right here, you're going to have storage down underneath there. And then you're going to have your generator, which is a 3600 LP. So it's taken right off your propane tank. Very convenient. Your fuel is actually safeguarded right there, so nobody can come steal your fuel. It's pretty cool. They really have thought about this wholeheartedly. Another thing, on a Jayco, you get a one-piece molded cap up top, so there are no seams, so you don't get any leakage, or it's less susceptible to leakage. You also have the 3M mask on the front, as you can see that line right there. Tell you what, this is a great coach. If this coach or any of the coaches on our campus interest you, please give me a call, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you very much for watching.